Jai Hind Sandeep. I welcome you all back to a show where we delve deep into minds of people who shape our day-to-day life. I welcome you all to the Voice of Sunbeam podcast. I am Shaurish Ray Singh, and today with me I have an achiever, Miss Urja Pal Singh, the second rank holder from Humanities in our school. Jai Hindi.
Hello, Jenny.
So first of all, I welcome you to our podcast,
Thank you.
and I wanted to know your views regarding this specific thing which we are doing.
It's quite a good initiative, I would say.
Starting with the podcast, being a council member myself, I have this thing. How did you manage your studies? Like you were in council, you were the sports captain, and I saw you involved in different events, cluster even I saw you involved in. So how do you manage it with everything? Like council का भी काम होता था, you had that sports वाला thing going on, and I think you were involved in 2-3 activities of class also. Plus you used to play chess constantly. How did you manage everything?
And for the council one, you were the guys who covered our duties. So thank you for that. Or for बाद में उसके, I had my time ना, for study because ऐसा तो नहीं था कि I played chess for like most of the 12th. There was time when I had time to study 1 month before my boards. It was quite a lot, enough time for me to cover up my course.
So you, as you told us, you had 1 month time for your board and everything, and you prepared within that period.
But it was hectic.
And you were constantly, I feel, keep preparing for it. Like, कुछ वैसा नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं था. Like I prepared, I studied from scratch in the last month.
Okay, मतलब एकदम शुरू से शुरू.
For you know the history, we have 3 books, right?
Yes.
And I haven't studied the second, like 2 books, and I didn't know what the chapters names were.
At this moment, I want to give you a discount. मेरा भी वही हाल है.
Like पता भी नहीं था. Then I started from like first book, chapter name. Okay. These are the names. Then I had to remember. Okay. This is question. Because the questions might confuse you between the chapters.
So, did you have study schedule for the last month? या फिर जब ये constantly भी आप चल रही थी, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ भी रही थी only, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ नहीं.
कुछ नहीं.
Okay, ठीक है. तो
Like you, in the pre-boards, I scored like 74-78% in my pre-boards.
Okay, but still, जब last month में you entered, so you must have a study routine या फिर एकदम दुनिया से cut off होके you were.
No, it was not like I got off from it. But the thing was like when I woke up, I studied until I sleep.
Like
Constant.
उस समय constant हो गया.
हाँ, because I just had to read the NCERT book, the underline it, remember it, because it's easy. But then for the next 10 days, which was between the like gaps I got for the exams, I had to formulate my answers. How do I have to write it? So for that, I had to prefer to the Oswald books or any other book from Telegram which might I get. So like answer writing कैसे?
So answer writing के लिए you used to practice or
You just need to remember the keywords.
Keywords. And what was your optional subject these?
Optional information practices, and for additional, I had applied arts.
Right. And what was the subject you got most marks in?
Psychology and applied arts, and English I got 19.
Why do you say you got high marks in psychology and all? I feel that teachers had a lot of contribution in your this thing. So I wanted to ask you, what was the contribution of the friends, teachers and family in this whole ranks thing which you got?
For friends, as I told, I was absent for 12, like most of the 12.
Mm-hmm.
They provided me with the notes or to say that the important question that the teachers had just marked in the book. And for the English, Aranjana ma'am, like I asked her, so then one day she like बैठो मैं बताती हूँ. So like she marked the answers, like not mark the answers, like the important questions or the figures of speech which might help in the exam. And for Anju ma'am, she also helped me a lot. For the political science, there are 2 books, and then again in this one, I also didn't know anything about the second book.
Okay.
And then she also helped me in that book, and Sneha ma'am for the 3 books, she also helped me a lot for the map work. And Alok sir, as I would like to say, he helped a lot with the notes, which were precise and short, and they helped me score like 100 in psychology and information practices. Nishad sir, he literally went after us like सीखो लिखो program. Like we do not we have when we write a program in a computer, like we know that it will run. But जब लिखने जाओ paper पे, तो फिर we do not know like if this is correct, because in the computer you will get an error. कि like then you can fix it. But in paper,
it is not possible.
It is not possible. So you need to practice the paper. So he had a lot in paper, like roads paper.
You had lots of practice with
Yes.
help of teachers. You must have had friends during your time. So what are some best memories what you had with your friends in class or in school?
It was in Assam, like we went with Reena ma'am, right? And she also helped me a lot in the applied arts section. And for the practical is for like 70 marks. And she helped us a lot with the practical things. And for the best memory I had, it was in Assam when I went for the Assam art festival. It was there. Yes, we were roaming here and there, and the school was huge. It was like a park. It was in Assam, like teens were there, like this. That we were roaming here and there, and there was a party last night. There was a party on the last day, and we were all like dancing here and there.
So you were basically enjoying the scenic beauty, and
Yes.
later on had huge parties with your friends.
The thing, like I didn't receive any prize, but still it was the best.
So when you, as you mentioned, price, people tend to perceive कि if they are doing certain work और उसके लिए प्राइज नहीं मिलता है, it's always they become very demotivated.
ज़रूरी नहीं है, because I was also demotivated for the same, but teachers helped me a lot. Our counselor, Amrita ma'am. So there, like it was like I went for the counseling. It was very serious. It was nothing like that. It was, the thing was, I went for the CMS. I didn't get a prize there, and then Assam. So I was a little down, but I can say that when I went to a CMS, I got over my stage fright.
Okay. So basically, you were trying to learn rather
Yes.
than win in everything. Winning is an thing which we aim for,
You
but
might focus on winning, like you should focus on winning, but it is not that you should always focus on winning. You should learn something first, then you will automatically get the win.
Absolutely, and I feel the same thing. If you are not ready to learn from something and just for the sake of winning, you are doing it. It's not good.
Nah, you will get nothing.
Achha, what was your reaction when you found out that you came second in this thing and कैसा scenario था?
तो फिर जब रिजल्ट खुल रहा था, I was on my phone. The network was not there, so the website I guess crashed. No, it was not like I could get over to the. Then I had to wait for like 5 minutes. Then I opened my laptop. Then I entered everything, and I lost my admit card.
Oh, wow.
So I was like, कहाँ है, ढूंढो. So फिर I remembered I clicked a photo. So फिर I was searching for it. Then I remembered I deleted it. So I went to the recycle bin.
And checked out your.
हाँ, तो वहाँ मिला मेरे को. तो फिर I had वैसे तो I remembered the roll number, but I needed the admit card ID. So उसके लिए जाना था. तो फिर उसके मतलब मेरे एग्जाम में मेरे रिपोर्ट कार्ड देखने से पहले I got the calls from my mother, because she also has a friend in school. She's a teacher, so she has a friend in school who has a kid in 12th also. तो कि रिजल्ट आ गया, कितना आया तुम्हारा? बोले खुले तो पहले कितना आया? तो फिर हम देखे. So I was like कि I had very low expectation, because I hadn't studied like for the whole year and studied in the last month. So I was like little skeptical that I might not get above 90. But then I saw 98. I was like, how?
As you told me कि एक महीना पढ़ के you got this much, so I personally want to know the strategy. I will learn.
I just read NCERT. घोल के पी जाओ बस.
अब वही ऑप्शन दिख रहा है मुझे.
बस लिखना भी नहीं है. Practice in the last like 2 days before. You will remember it.
खौफ की वजह से.
खौफ की वजह से सब याद रहता है.
Perfect. And as I said, कि खौफ की वजह से and everything, we had an interesting talk. Okay. So I find out that there are children who constantly talk with me and पूछते हैं कि जब juniors absolutely 10th के 9th के तो शौर्य भैया इंस्टाग्राम और इन सबसे डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, दीदी भैया लोग बोल रहे हैं कि डिलीट करके बैठ जाओ, डोंट कीप इट बोर्ड्स का ईयर है. व्हाट डिड यू डू?
I did not do anything. You said like deactivate my Insta or log out, nothing like that. For the cricket, I took it as a reinforcement. For like after I completed 2 chapters of 1 chapter or any topic, I went straight to Instagram for my reinforcement. Like I'm getting something for completing something.
डोपामिन के लिए यूज कर रहे थे।
हाँ।
हाँ, ओके, समझ गए। अच्छा, व्हाट
For reinforcement, it was like very good. I did it in 10th also. I haven't completed any series till the after the exams is completed, but during exams I have completed like 3 series, like 4 seasons each. हाँ, रात में बैठ के देखो बस.
During the
Yes.
exams,
Yes.
What exam you did?
Ask my parents, they were like, बस मतलब देखती रहती है, बस पढ़ती कब है?
And they saw the result. अच्छा, as I asked you the questions, ठीक है, before, तो उसमें आप you told about your reaction कि जब आपको पता चला कि ये आया है नहीं, what was the parents' reaction? वो ऐसा नहीं बोले कि तुम्हारा result है ये, ऐसा?
हाँ. My mother was like, कैसे? Like she's sitting there, right? Like I was like, ये देखो मेरा result है. Like Aya, she was on call, है ना, मैंने भेजा उनको. तो she was like कि okay, कैसे? हमला में नहीं पता.
भगवान, पेरेंट्स को कुछ भी करके दे दो, रिएक्शन इज ऑलवेज
Like how?
कैसे तुमसे तो
Not you, bro. You cannot. Nah.
तो
But still, they are very supportive.
नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली पेरेंट्स आर ऑलवेज सपोर्टिव टिल व्हाट आई नो. नो पेरेंट्स इन दिस यूनिवर्स वांट कि उनका बेटा या बेटी खराब करे. दे ओनली अबाउट देयर वेल-बीइंग, कि अच्छा करे.
They hide it ना कि like अच्छा करे और
तो ओवर फ्रेंडली बनने पे बच्चे
हाँ,
भी ओवर
वही,
कॉन्फिडेंट
वही.
हो जाते हैं. ओके, तो एज टू एवरीथिंग एंड लाइक कि हाउ डू यूज इंस्टाग्राम एंड खुद को स्ट्रेस फ्री करने के लिए क्या करती थी आप?
seriously.
सो जाओ.
Stress free के लिए वही इंस्टा नहीं, like go watch a series.
अच्छा, एज कि सो जाओ. अब फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा जब 10th था, ठीक है, व्हाट आई डिड कि ये मेरी गलती थी. आई रियलाइज लेटर ऑन जब आई स्टार्टेड स्टडीइंग साइकोलॉजी, ठीक है, वो फॉर अबाउट 10-12 days आई डिडंट स्लीप. लाइक तो 12 दिन आई वाज एट द एंड ऑफ 12th डे आई वाज हेलुसिनेटिंग कि ये एलियन आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है, वैसा वाला सिनेरियो हो गया था कि आई वाज अफ्रेड कि बोर्ड्स हैं एंड स्टडीइंग कॉन्स्टेंटली, पीरियड्स पलटते जा रहे हैं, सो ही नहीं रहे. मुश्किल से 1 आवर सो गए तो सो गए. तो आपका क्या हाल था?
मेरा नहीं किया हाल था. हमको वही बात थी ना कि like it was hard to sleep, but I had to sleep. So I went on YouTube to get those like वो
व्हाइट नॉइज करके कुछ होता है,
something like
हाँ,
that. So I opened it, my phone on, slept. It worked wonders.
नहीं तो आई
It worked, but still थकावट रहती है सुबह थोड़ी देर. You cannot get the full sleep. You are constantly in stress, but you need to sleep.
I have also learned one cheat code from रात को कर लेगा इसमें. So speaking on all these things, so आपके कोई छोटे भाई
Cousins.
छोटे कजन ऐसा कुछ बोले कि तुम तो टॉप कर गई, अब हम पे प्रेशर बना है बोले?
Oh, they themselves scored 96. Like not like they are in 5th and 4th something.
Okay. तो
They were like नाक मत कटा देना मेरी. Like she got her results before me. They like नाक मत कटा देना मेरी. छोटे हैं सब. हाँ.
तो what
अब फिर मुंह बन गया बस हो गया.
what is the best memory you remember about Sunbeam Varuna? What it gave you? You have it with you forever. और जब भी आपको Sunbeam Varuna नाम सुनने मिलेगा, you will remember this.
The sport mix, like sport mix.
You spend most of your time here.
Like class में.
Did you ever bunk the classes या ऐसा कुछ किया है?
तो sport mix उसी लेता.
यार कि तो प्रिंसिपल मान लेते हैं.
कर देना.
नहीं काटेंगे.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं तो भाग जाते थे. वो स्लिप मिलती थी ना प्रैक्टिस के लिए, तो we had to take signature from the teacher. तो आलोक सर ने आलोक सर
क्लास मत करो, बाहर रहो.
मतलब साइन कर दीजिए सर. लाइक ठीक है जाओ.
नहीं यार, आलोक सर इज वेरी सपोर्टिव वाला टीचर. स्ट्रिक्ट है, ही इज वेरी.
And I forgot to mention for psychology, with the psychic quiz, right? That helped a lot.
Helped a lot in sense of psychology या फिर
Psychology. Psychic. Like I had to read like 11th and 12th an appendix and other books also.
So basically उस event से you were able to.
हाँ वो याद होगा psychology का थोड़ा. फिर then I had, and for CUET I had to study the last chapters which were not in my course for 12th.
Okay.
So psychology was all covered.
On behalf of the humanities student, ठीक है, ये मेरे दिमाग में क्लिक किया, nobody asked me, लेकिन अब मेरे दिमाग में है, ये तो हम पूछ रहे हैं आपसे. Okay. So, did you see कि any deleted chapter was coming in for the CVT? Deleted chapter in the sense कि book में है और कटा हुआ है. That is something new. वो तो आता है, we know कि वो आएगा. लेकिन ऐसा है कि वो book में chapter ही नहीं है. It was removed previously, और it still came. वैसा कुछ था?
नहीं, book मेरी पुरानी वाली edition थी. वो आखिर like 10 days before the exam I got to know, oh मेरी पुरानी वाली book है, nice. तो I read the chapters, लेकिन ये बात भी है कि you can leave those chapters, like the unmarked chapters, or to say those are not in your syllabus. They are not in your syllabus for some reason. So you will get like 2 to 4 questions, and in CUT you can skip like 10 questions. So you just skip those questions and focus on the questions which you can prepare with the question or with the chapters you have studied previously.
Sure. While we say this thing, you gave CUT and all, what is next for Pooja Palse?
Criminal psychology. I want to pursue criminal psychology.
So initially I heard I want to be criminal, but criminal psychology.
अगर वो नहीं तो वो सही.
Backup option?
Should be.
नहीं, absolutely not. इतना पढ़े लिखे for some reason itself. To criminal psychology. Why criminal psychology specifically? You had this interest. Okay. Any university in specific you are aiming for?
I'm aiming for like Duke and a big university. I heard it has a good psychology program from some.
Even I have researched about it is nice.
No? Yes.
So, Udyadi, any message for the students who are going for food? उनकी हालत खराब है. They are afraid. वो I saw in a meme कि सर पे पसीने हैं, पैर थरथरा रहे हैं.
Like just read your NCERT, and if you want to do any co-curricular activities or extra activities, go for it. Like it will not hamper your studies. You just need to study what is given, and boards is quite literally generous with marks.
Or to be frank, this year what I observed कि like ऐसे बच्चे बहुत कम ही थे जो कि they were sitting in class and got good marks. Majority of the rankers are people who are involved in multiple events.
Like Pavni, right?
Pavni, I to think she must have attended I think 10 to 15 classes, not more than it. She was busy in everything. Let it be Tarush Bhaiya involved in every music event, everything, still JE and everything we got. Let it be you, anybody. Okay, I'm not able to recall all the names, but everyone was involved in every event which I remember. So, that according to me, proves that children who go to co-curricular activities, ऐसा नहीं कि they are not good in studies. They can be good in studies.
We have mastered the art of multitasking. The thing is this.
Okay, any message for the teachers?
Thank you, and please support the students who might not, you think, not get like good marks, but still help them, like they will score better.
Thank you, Gary. That's it for this video, Sandeep. Meet you in the next episode. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.